How to fix touchpad not working on Windows 11. So if you want to fix touchpad not working on your Windows 11, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, you need to go with the Bluetooth and devices, which is here on the left side. You need to scroll down and you need to go with the touchpad section. Under your touchpad, make sure that it is turned on. Once you turn that on, now you just need to simply go back. Make sure that you have an external mouse. And once you have that, what you need to do is just go with the search. And here you need to search for main.cpl. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you'll get this kind of interface. Now make sure that you are under the wheel option and you will have the touchpad option right here. If you have the touchpad option, you just need to simply go and enable the touchpad from here also. Once you've done that, you can click on apply and then OK. And after that, you just need to simply right click on your Windows. Once you right click on it, you need to go with the device manager. Now under your device manager, you will have mice and other pointing devices. Enlarge that. And here you will have your mouse drivers. You just need to simply click on it, right click on that, go with properties. Make sure that you're under the driver section. Once under the driver section, now you just need to simply go with update driver and go with search automatically for drivers, and the best drivers will be installed. And once it's installed, now you just need to simply go back and you need to open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, you need to go with the system section. Under system, if you scroll down, you'll have the troubleshoot. So open up your troubleshoot and go with other troubleshooters. Now under your troubleshooters here, you will have the touchpad section. Once you have the touchpad section, you just need to simply go with the right side and you need to go with run under your touchpad. But if you don't get the touchpad option, you can simply go with your keyboard also. Just go with keyboard and then go with run and your problem might be fixed. Now you need to simply go and restart your device, and after restarting, you can check your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix your touchpad not working on your Windows 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.